we shall continue keep go message whatever from Milo.
And in the chinkanze nyunga.
And you can't kubanga namwe mwayaga doctor we toli necessary tebakusiyaga. Ate ali necessary mu story atutunzi. What do you mean?
These are voices of a lady popularly known as Kyakabale, be known for fighting Pastor Pr.Kayanja over unknown allegations. Many times this lady has been making videos on social media exposing the image of Pastor Pr.Kayanja over unknown allegations.
Battlefield yali genda wakayanja okusoka abo ne bateekawo embeera.
On 12th of April 2023 in Busambaga, Kyakabale and some colleagues attacked a home of a young man using a vehicle UG 0392 to break into the house, claiming to look for a photo that gives Pastor Kayanja powers.
Nimazima ddala mukyala Kyakabale munjagaza ati nze omuvubuka eyeeyiya omuvubuka ndi eno nkola byange muli eno ovudde e Kampala yonna olw'okuba nagaana okuwayiriza Musumba Kayanja mbu alibisiyaga sebo nyabo n'abavubuka abo bambi mundeke nze sibirimu ebintu byammwe uno mwayagadde kumenya nyumba yange mwaka kumenya nyumba yange enyumba abantu bona batudde musasamaze ekyalo kyonna.
This young man later confirmed that most of the youths on social media are being used by this lady Kyakabale under influence of promising them money.
Kakati njala ntegeeza abantu bannaye nti bano abantu bakozesebwa ate tebali bokka nziramu n'ekiganyi nkyogera avubuka mugende mukole.
Kyakabale is among two city pastors, Pastor Senyong and Pastor Bujingo, who've been popularly known for fighting Pastor Pr.Kayanja for a long time. But this too raises a question whether she's working for them.